So as soon as you walk in, we have these trees here. They're off to the side right now because the kids were getting like super annoyed having to walk through them. But then the forest kind of starts. The snow hasn't quite fallen on that part yet, but then the rest is all kind of snow covered. It's really hard to get the right angle to show everything just because the ceiling is sloped here. This is actually the roof line, the back roof line of our house. It's pretty steep, so like I'm definitely too tall to be standing up in parts of this room. So over here we have Mr. Tumnus's cave. That was probably the most time that I spent on any one detail within the room. I think I spent like 5 days total doing his cave. While the whole project itself took like 2 weeks. So up here we have some mountains, water, and the White Witch's castle. And the White Witch's castle, as well as the water, I coated it so it's shiny, so it looks like ice. Then through here we've got a forest of trees, which I still might go back and add more trees later. Like I might never be satisfied with that. And then we have fluorescent lighting, so any pictures, any videos that I'm doing, like I get these weird lines that aren't really here in person, it's just on the video. Here's the lamppost when you first walk into Narnia. Like, originally I was going to do a hanging lantern in here, but knowing that my kids all take after me and are super clumsy, I figured one of them would walk straight into it and bust their head open, so flat painted on the wall, totally better option for them. Back here we have Mr. and Mrs. Beaver's little hidden cave. More trees. Okay, so we have Aslan there. That's supposed to be like the stone table. That's actually a bookshelf. There's books all along the back there. We have some seating here. We to put another one of these IKEA bookshelves in that space, and I think we're probably going to have to do that soon just because the kids have a lot of books. These are actually just their reading books. Their homeschool books are on shelves downstairs. Back here we have a basket of different book character reading buddies for the kids so that they can have their little stuffed animal to read to. And then this rug. The kids have been making snow angels on this rug all week. I haven't had it in here until the past couple days because I was terrified I was going to get paint all over it. So they've definitely had fun with this. And then there's some more details I might add in the future. I might add a scene on this side. And then I might also add like another scene over here if I decide to take the rack down. But right now I'm kind of keeping that open in case I need it for storage. And then we have the mirror that's here. And I'm a huge Alice in Wonderland fan, so I'm also thinking that I might do like a through the looking glass detail on this. So that's it for the room. Thanks for coming in and checking it out.